Hi guys, we are in South and we are going to be reviewing the Moyu RS3M. So you can see the Moyu RS3M, it looks very nice on the outside. So now we're going to unbox it. So one moment. Here, the main cube, the Moyu RS3M. So we'll put that to the side. Here we have instruction manual, how to solve it. Oh, we don't need that. Here we have the stand. Let's see how it goes together. So we'll open it up. See the main thing, Moyu RS3M. It's a very good cube. It's very good for if you want to save money because it's £10 in here, and there's a Gan 11M Pro which is £65, but this is also very good quality. See, 45 degree cuts very good. 45 normal cutting good. 45 reverse is very nice. So here you can see you put on the stand. It's very nice. Okay. So now moving on, we have the accessory box. Bear with me because it's a bit hard. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So put that aside. So here we have like an instructions manual. Let me just open it up for you guys, where it shows what you can do: jewel adjustment tool, tension tool. Here we have screwdriver, which you can use to open it. So let's try it out. Here, it's magnetic, so it will stay. You can loosen it and tighten it. So yeah, enough of that. Let's go on to the main. So this cube is very good, as I said before. It is very cheap if you're looking for a budget cube, but it's also a very good speed cube. So we will look at the corner cutting. 45 degrees, normal, very nice, and the sound is very satisfying. See? And then if we do reverse corner cutting, okay. So I'm gonna do some basic algorithms and see how it feels. So it's very nice. The feeling is very smooth. You can see it has magnets onto the center caps. So yeah, Moyu RS3M. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and see you for more.